Hi, this is John Ozzy, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Bala. This trader's had a trade gain of 12.52%, drawdown 6.64%, and a monthly gain of 4.26%. The trader joined AudaCity Capital 23rd of April 2021, and this is the date of review, 16th of July 2021. The traders had a total of 76 trades and won 43 out of 76, which represents 57%, lost 33 out of 76, which represents 43%. Coming down, let's look at the monthly analytics. We've had April a gain of minus 1.93%, May minus 2.34%, June, we've had a gain of 9.21%, and July 7.58%. So well done. We got consistency in 2 months back to back of gains. So let's look at the trades that have been taken to achieve this 10%. We can see as traders trade quite a few pairs, but a common theme, the long Euro New Zealand dollar yen and Kiwi pair. As we can see, the traders made a total of 868.5 pips, given 2,698.27, which has helped this trader offset the losses and gone on to hit 10%. We can see this traders actually being consistent with the US dollar CAD as well as the US dollar Swiss franc, and spread the risk across other pairs. So well done, congratulations. But I'll recommend you stick to this particular pair that's giving you the gains, the Euro New Zealand dollar, and focus on the US dollar CAD as your key KPI pairs, your key pairs to give you your consistency to go on to 60,000 and then the six-figure level, because I strongly believe you can be successful in doing this and you can do very well with discipline and consistency. Also, looking at your history of trades, we can see quite a few trades here, a few stop losses in place, but I always tell every trader, and it's like I repeat myself on every review, always put a stop loss in place consistency. It will help you maintain your balance. It will prevent you from excessive losses, and more importantly, it protects you from unnecessary risk exposure and factors that are not factored into the market, like unprecedented fundamental releases and vice versa. So this will always make you successful. See, pips, 24 pips, 50 pips, 30 pips, 111 pips, 63 pips, 12 pips, 90 pips. This has all helped you get to this level. So congratulations on that, and you can definitely do very well moving forward. So I wish you the best on this journey, and you just need to be disciplined and consistent with what you're doing. This is a very good attempt, and like I said, getting your trades down to a T and doing it in 76 trades. It's not bad. This is very well. This is a good achievement. So congratulations on that. And I wish you all the best on the next level.